My name is Tom. This is Tom's Kitchen. Welcome back. This is your returning visitor. If not, thank you for dropping by. Today we're going to be making a glazed sausage bites as an appetizer. And this month the theme is Italian. Let's get on with the cooking. Okay, what I got here is 1 pound pork sausage. To that, we're going to add 1 egg, half a cup of crushed saltine crackers or butter flavored crackers, whichever you prefer. We add 2 tablespoons milk, these are half tablespoons. I don't know where my tablespoons went, so. And a half teaspoon sage, rub sage. There we go. You can use a fork or anything to mix it up. If you really want to get into it, you can use your hands. Cooking is messy, so. Okay, our next stage is to wash your hands. Yeah, we're going to form these into little 1-inch balls. I'll place them on a plate here. Simple roll them. There you go. Okay, we've got them all shaped up. Set them off to the side for right now. We're going to make the glaze. In this bowl I have 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Grab the right cup. Take 1/4 cup of ketchup. Not a half a cup, 1/4. going to extend it out a little. And half a cup of water. Here's our half. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Half. 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon vinegar. If you want to alter the flavor profile, you can always change up your vinegar. I'm just using a simple white vinegar. And because I like to add a little heat to my food, it's going to add a little bit of ground red pepper. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. A couple dashes. Take a whisk. Mix it all up. Now I'm going to cook the sausage bites. Okay, saute pan here with some oil in it. Getting hot. We just drop these in. We're going to let them cook for a minute, or a few minutes, say. While they're still soft, the spoon works great for flipping them. At least until the outside gets hard enough. We use like tongs or something else. And we're going to take the meatballs off, or the sausage bites off the heat for a second. Take a container. And remove them from the oil for just a second. Doing is draining them. Get rid of all that excess grease. Always helps to have something on your stove to dump used oil into, so you don't put it down your drain. We're going to rinse this out right quick. Be right back. Alright. My drink's wiped out, cleaned out. We'll put the sausage back bites in. We're gonna pour our glaze over it. Get them all nice swirled up. We're going to cover them and we'll bring the sauce up to a boil first. It's almost there. And cover it, reduce it to a simmer, let it cook for about 15-20 minutes or until the centers are no longer pink. I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Check them. Let's check them out. It isn't really form that much of that well of a glaze. That's about the biggest one. Let's see if it's pink in the center stuff. That is what you're looking for. But that's not pink no more, so plate some of these up and try them out. When you're checking for doneness, it's best to go with the largest one. And if the largest one is not done yet, then check out the smaller ones. You don't want to overcook them. But if you check out the small one first and it's done, some of the bigger ones won't be done. The large one's done, they should all be done. Put some of this glaze on them. A little sauce, I like. Yeah. I will see you over at the table. Here you are. Yeah. Try them. Bon appetit. Not bad. Pretty good actually. I give it a 6 out of 10. And thank you for being here and watching this video. Now remember, if you like this video or any of my others, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of the next upload. And we are 1 subscriber away from 20. And if you don't know, at 20 I'll be doing one of my own personal recipes, not just one I found off the internet or one I've dealt with before, but one I've had a major role in creating. I'm not saying nobody's created my recipes before, but as far as I know, I created them by myself. Well, hope y'all have a good day, evening, morning, whatever it is for y'all.